I would like to sing a birthday song for Orania, and it goes like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rania. Happy birthday to you are 7 years old. I am so proud of you.